How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River East to West Della Terra. This is going to be their 221ML floor plan. We're going to start with our pass-through storage first. So it's at the very front, goes all the way through, as you can see. Underneath your entry door, we do have some solid steps as well as a nice big grab handle. You do have a leash holder on there as well. You can see just how massive this awning is. Nice LED light strip underneath. And then above those tires, you do have a fridge to keep your drinks cold, as well as a pull-out griddle. At the very back of this travel trailer, if you look up, we do have a Lippert ladder backer for roof accessibility. You also have a backup camera prep, and then down below you do have a spare tire, as well as your 30-amp power cord plug-in. Moving to the driver's side, we're going to run into our water heater and heat exhaust right away. One slide out on the driver's side here. If you look up at the corners of the slide, you notice that it does have slide topper prep. A little bit of outdoor storage here on the slide out. And then if we keep moving forward, we're going to run into the other side of your pass-through storage, as well as your water station. So inside here, you do have some outlets, as well as your city water connection, battery disconnect switch, slide out switch, which is really nifty, as well as your charge controller and outdoor shower. At the very front of this travel trailer, you're going to find your battery box, propane tanks, and your power tongue jack. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this camper, to the right of your entry door, you're going to find your control panel. And if we keep moving back, we're going to have our dinette. So your dinette does have some storage underneath it, which is really nice to have. Above it, you have your entertainment center with some storage on either side, as well as your sound system. Now this dinette does turn into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. And then you have your pantry right next to it. If we keep moving to the back of the travel trailer, we're going to go into our bathroom. So the shower is pretty roomy in here. You do have a nice skylight above for some extra headroom in here. Massive medicine cabinet with your sink and storage below. And then a porcelain toilet right below that, which is really nice, especially for a travel trailer this size. Now, I don't know if we can consider this a rear kitchen. It's kind of halfway a rear kitchen. You do have your single basin sink, couple of windows, plenty of storage, and then next to that we have our microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven down below, and if we keep moving towards the middle, we have our oversized refrigerator. Next to that is going to be your theater seating. Of course, it does recline. You do have some cup holders in the middle there, plenty of window coverage up in here, which is really nice. And then at the very front of this travel trailer, we have our king size bed. Yes, king size bed, especially super nice to have in a floor plan that is a little bit smaller. You do have storage underneath, as well as surrounding, of course. A couple windows on either side, as well as chargers and outlets on either side as well. All right, guys, that's going to be your 2025 Forest River East to West Della Terra 221ML. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Which is really nice to have. Above it, you have your entertainment center with some storage on either side, as well as your sound system. Now this dinette does turn into a bed in case you do